I found that the bay window in the master bedroom comes in handy. It provides light, quick ventilation. The baby's clothes can be used for sunbathing. It is not a problem to dry shoes, saliva, and towels. There is also a drying net bag for throwing away the wash socks and a plush pillow. Toys can be dried and put away when not in use without affecting the beauty of the bay window. Cleaning the windows in the new year is not just about drying the glass. The windows must be cleaned to save money and trouble. Once it is changed, use a brush to clean the dust on the sand lamp and then go to clean the glass to save the day. I will clean the glass today and wash the windows tomorrow. This head has a certain degree of toughness and it won't be tiring if I use it. It's quite easy to press one line at a time like I do, as long as the method is used. It's really better for the finished glass. After it is to clean, this pole is also quite long. It can also be used to wipe the glass at high places, so it is easier and lighter.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.